Good information, Ms. Lawson. All right. Today's date is July 14th, 2022. In Wilbarger County, Texas, I call cause number 25646 in the interest of Nevaeh Letitia Jared. What says the state?
Your Honor.
Present by audio and video is Sarah Lawson. Are you ready to proceed, Ms. Lawson?
Yes.
The court's file reflects that David Jared was served with notice of these proceedings back on June 9th of 2022. This hearing was set for 2:30 and it's now approximately 2:50, and there's been no appearance or answer on behalf of Mr. Jared. So we are proceeding to default. Ms. Kuntz, you may call your first witness.
Thank you, Your Honor. The state calls Sarah Lawson.
I call Sarah Lawson. Ms. Lawson, do you solemnly swear or affirm that the testimony you're about to give should be the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth, so help you God?
Yes.
Thank you, ma'am. Go ahead, Ms. Kuntz.
Thank you, Your Honor. Ms. Lawson, is it your understanding that the obligor on the case, Davin Jared, is presently incarcerated?
Yes.
Do you know how long he's been incarcerated approximately?
No, I want to say probably this time, maybe 5-6 years. I'm really not sure. So
Okay.
Several years. Is that correct?
how many?
Just several years?
Yes, several years.
Okay.
Okay. And do you have any knowledge of any actual income for him in spite of his incarceration?
No, not that I'm aware of.
Okay. And do you understand that there's not an income presumption for him right now because of his incarceration?
Yes.
Because of that, are you in agreement with the court modifying his current child support and medical support obligations to zero beginning August 1st of 2022?
Yes.
Okay. And are you also in agreement that you be responsible for applying for a government health plan for the child on the case?
Yes.
Okay. We had an opportunity to discuss the arrears owed on the case. Is it correct that you're actually wanting to forgive some of the child support arrears?
Yes, I will forgive some of it.
Okay. Your
I would
Honor,
like to forgive.
go ahead.
I'm sorry. I just said yes. I would like to forgive some of it.
Okay. Your Honor, I asked that the payment record be placed in evidence as State's Exhibit 1, but since Ms. Lawson is wanting to forgive some arrears, I would also ask to update the numbers with the current figures as of July 13th, 2022.
All right. Admitted as State's number 1.
Thank you, Your Honor. And Ms. Lawson, as of July 13th of 2022, Mr. Jared owes child support arrears of $38,428.11. Are you wanting to forgive approximately 80% of that? That is $30,742.49, leaving a remaining child support judgment of $7,685.62.
Yes.
Okay. And is that something that you're doing freely and voluntarily, not because anyone has coerced, threatened, or promised you anything?
Yeah. Yes.
Okay. And do you understand that if you forgive those arrears, that's not something that you can get back or have reinstated in the future?
Yes, but I can file a new order to restart the child support when he gets out, correct?
the current child support, but any arrears that you forgive are gone forever. Do you understand that and still want to forgive those arrears?
Can you hear me?
I can now. Well, I apologize. What was your answer?
I said yes.
Okay. And are you in agreement with the court ordering a payment plan of $150 per month on the remaining child support arrears?
Yes.
Okay. And do you understand that Mr. Jared also owes medical arrears of $9,203.50 as of July 13th, 2022?
Yes.
Are you in agreement with the court ordering a judgment for that amount and setting a payment plan of $50 per month for the medical arrears?
Yes.
Okay. Is there anything else you believe the court needs to know from you to help make a determination about your case today?
No, I don't think so.
Okay, I pass the witness.
Okay. You understand, Ms. Lawson, that what he owes up to now that you can forgive is what you're forgiving. There's a portion of it that belongs to the state, it sounds like.
Correct.
And that can't come back. We can't start him paying on what he owes you. But we can start child support again once he's released.
Correct.
Okay.
I understand that. All this is back that he's owed being locked up. And so when he gets out, I'm going to start a new case. I just don't let it quit stacking on him right now and then forgive those and then.
Okay, super. If you leave your case open with the AG's office, they will try to monitor when he's going to be released and try to stay up on that. Or you can wait and just notify them when you hear he's been released, okay?
Okay.
Okay. Well, based on the evidence and the testimony, then I'm granting the modification of child support and medical support to zero, and I'm granting money judgments for the child support arrears and the medical arrears that are owed to the state. I'm approving Ms. Lawson forgiving the arrears that are owed to her. And I'm going to waive court costs in this matter because of his incarceration. Ms. Kuntz will prepare that order for my signature. There is a period of 3 business days during which anybody can request a new hearing. If you do that, or Mr. Jared does that, you get a new hearing in front of Judge Byrd, and we'd start over, and Judge Byrd would make his own decision. But if nobody does that, this order that Ms. Kuntz is preparing will become final, and you should get a copy in about 2 weeks, okay?
Okay.
It'll either come by email or regular mail. Thank you so much, Ms. Lawson. Good luck to you and Nevaeh.
Thank you.
All right. Thanks again. Bye-bye.
Bye.
Thank you, Your Honor.